I'm gonna pick what I want. I don't want.
Give it a good one so somebody else can buy it.
There's something else that was really, really pretty though. Wait a minute. I just got it. He just gave it to me yesterday. Like I was going to get rid of it.
Put something here.
Oh, I know where it is. This right here. This is really pretty.
He wants to taking himself back.
Ain't that pretty?
That's an ornament?
Yeah. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. That is Mary, Joseph, and Jesus. Let me see. Hold on. Mary got blonde hair.
I know.
Mary got blonde hair.
I know.
In the Middle East.
Yeah, Merle.
Oh, okay.
That's what I don't like about it. Good morning.
Won't focus on him.
It is cute though. Cute job, but I don't like the white faces either. That's all they sell in the store. Don't put no black faces. You don't see no black angels, no black Santa Claus, or nothing.
There you go.
I can see how you.
Like your nails.
Thank you. I went to the cemetery today too. See.
How was her tree?
Guess what? Got a new bloom on it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
The
Almost
Tiara?
Yeah, the one y'all planted. Got new leaves already popping up in the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah. New sprout.
Did y'all clean it up or something? What y'all go there for? Just a visit?
Was it just you?
Or did y'all do work?
I didn't do it by myself. I went out there with the kids.
Did y'all work out there?
Actually, I went out there. I went to the store, and I told him I was just going to go to the cemetery and see Mama grave, and he went with me. But yeah, the flower is got a new bloom on it already.
That's awesome.
I mean, just took straight up root, and then it rained, and then I know what it was. I reason I went there because he had all the flowers things, and I went out there and I put the flowers things on the base, not around it, but just on the base, and I put some flowers on granite, the great artificial flowers.
Mm-hmm. Did y'all throw out the flowers from the field?
I cleaned them out because I thought to throw them away, but he said, no, don't throw them away.
Well,
Don't dump it. But what I did was I pulled out the dead stuff. Because there was some flowers that were still living.
Wow.
There was some still living. And some wasn't. So I just cleaned it out. And kept all the live flowers there. The next time we go over, we have to get rid of it. Take it done, all right. How you cut this off, Mama?
Mom, playing against Santa Claus.
Oh, I didn't know it.
Hit the off switch.
Where is it?
Tigger, get in the bed.
Oh.
I made a bed for you. You could get curled up in the bed.
There we go.
It's Christmas for Tigger. Christmas in September.
First time in Christmas without the one you love. Christmas is not Christmas without the one you love. And Grandma won't be here this Christmas.
And she'll be here in spirit. She's always with us in spirit.
Yeah. I walked in the house. I said like I always do, hey Grandma. I said, hey Mama. You know how I walk in the door, open the door.
We always say, hey Grandma.
Yeah, I walked in the door. I said, hey Mama.
Hey, Sugarfoot.
Yeah. Hey, baby. Hey, Sugarfoot.
Hey.
When she started saying that,
What?
Sugarfoot.
Oh, she used to say Sugarfoot?
She said how long?
I know, but I'm saying, how long has she been saying that?
Gosh, she been saying Sugarfoot for a long time. She been
I
saying Sugarfoot a long time, more than she had a baby.
told this girl at work, call everybody Sugarfoot. I said, you can't call me Sugarfoot. Only my grandma can call me Sugarfoot. And I told Grandma that the girl walk around calling everybody Sugarfoot, and I told her what I said. Grandma got a kick out of it. I can't be nobody's Sugarfoot. But
I ain't never
Sugarfoot.
heard nobody call nobody Sugarfoot but Mama.
Only, and that caught me off guard when I heard her calling people that.
Yeah, like where did she get that from?
Oh my goodness, because she ain't that far off from aging me. She's
Yeah.
33.
She done got that from some older person.
Yeah, she called everybody Sugarfoot.
Ma, watch your foot.
Sorry, not paying attention. Pay attention on the proper side. What's on? What do you need to finish on the to-do list that I gave you? Do you need a new to-do list?
Huh?
The to-do list.